Hi, this is Patrick. In this video, I'm gonna show you a way to go back in time with Git that always works. So this video is for you if you have used a little bit of Git, you know a bit about source control, like you've done a commit, maybe a push with GitHub, you've used GitHub or any other similar service. So otherwise, it would be good to learn about Git in general. But just like if you have a basic knowledge and you want to go back in time, this is for you. Why would you want to learn this? You, or someone else, made a change, pushed it to a Git repo, and you see the mistake and you're like, I want to cancel this. So you want to go back, but making a new commit, because if you just try and rewrite history and whatever, you'll have to do a force push, and you do not want to do a force push. And so I'm going to teach you a fail-proof method that always works, and then this will mean that no more headaches. What are we going to do? So for the demo, I'm going to make this awesome repository on GitHub. Then the drunk colleague will make a commit that sucks, and you'll be like, what, dude, you can't do that. And the drunk colleague just leaves, and you're left to repair the mess. But, too easy. You've seen this video. You type 3 commands, you're good. So the commands are, you do git log to see what happened, or you can see that on the GitHub site. And then the 3 commands are git reset hard to the good position. Then you do a git reset soft to head. And this @1 means you can commit. I'm not even sure why, but it's worked every time. It's awesome. And you commit it saying cancel this silly commit from drunken colleague. And you do a push. Welcome to my trusty terminal. So here I created this repository called Back in Time. And I'm gonna make a few commits, some random stuff. For example, I'm gonna create a readme.md git vi. Hello, this is the readme. And this is like a great repo. I'm gonna put the code like hello.c that does int main void. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. I don't really have to do it. Sure, I'll do it. Include stdio .h print hello world. I've written C for years. I think that's how it works. It doesn't really matter. It's just to have a file. Git add dot initial commit. Perfect. So this is my very first commit, and I'm gonna do a push. Okay, so this is a great commit. Now I'm gonna, I don't know, hello.h, hello, and I'm gonna add it again. This is epic. And so, now I have my repository, it's all fine, everything is fine. And now, my drunken colleague arrives. And he's like, what's up? And so I'm gonna make a repository for him. Well, actually his own copies, because he has access. So let's see. I'm gonna do a git clone of this same repository. And no, cloud git cloud. It's called back in time, and I'll call it back in time second copy. Perfect. So now I can go in this directory and git config user.name drunken Joe. Here we go. So now every commit I do in here will be Drunken Joe. So imagine I'm Drunken Joe. I'm like, what's up? These files suck. Deleting it. And I'm gonna create a file called balls. And then I push it. Whoa, that sucks. And so now I go back. I'm Patrick again. And I'm doing my stuff, and I'm like, whatever is happening. Wait, what? Branch of back in time. What? What is this commit? What is happening? And I see the log. And I see this drunken Joe who made boo. I do not like this commit. I want to go back, but I want to make it like clear in the repo that this is the right place. So I will do a git reset dash hard on this. So this is my perfect commit. And I want to make a new commit that reverts what Joe did, because he was drunk. You heard him. He was like, ugh. So I do git reset soft head at 1, and this puts me at the first position. That doesn't change the context. So what is there, but stage slash. So if I do a git status, it's the reverse commit. See, it deletes this thing. So then I do -m Joe was drunk. Push. There we go. And so now if we look at the history, actually I'll show it to you on GitHub. Here we go. We can see the commit. We see Patrick initial commit, my epic commit, then Drunken Joe, who was like, boo, balls, like idiot. And so I see it merged in. And so I reverted saying Joe was drunk. And this works for anything. So as a conclusion, thank you for watching. As you noticed, if you don't use my great method, you're going to get lost. Please subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time. The 3 commands are listed in the video description as a memo. Bye.